the Road to Restoration Clinic is helping people that don't even know the status of their driver's license, help them find out the status, what's going on, what's outstanding, and then they can plot a course back to getting a full driver's license.
The problem we had is that it was just so expensive to get auto insurance, and as a result you had a lot of people that were perfectly law-abiding members of the community, but literally they became criminals just because they were too poor to be able to afford to drive.
Miller Canfield has a big pro bono program where we try to provide legal services for free. This is fulfilling work because the difference between a drop in a bucket and really getting a segment of society that's been marginalized back in the game, participating more fully.
License restoration can be a very scary issue for many people, but because LaSed has such a reputation as being a safe place, they feel comfortable coming here, asking questions, and not being intimidated. I believe that when they walk out the doors today, they're going to feel the weight of the world off of their shoulders.